Please mute yourself. Ayan, mute yourself. Okay, so we are going to discuss hardware and software today. In this, we will discuss about the hardware. Okay, basically we have three types of devices in the hardware. Hardware are basically the devices which we can touch and feel. Okay, like mouse we can touch and feel. So this is the hardware. Keyboard is the hardware. Okay, so the devices in the computer which we can see and we can touch, that is the hardware. Okay, now three types of hardwares are there, basically input devices, output devices and processing devices, or we can say input devices, processing devices and output devices. In which order we want to say, that is only. Okay, so input devices, today we will discuss about the input devices only. Okay, so very first input device is the keyboard. Normal keyboard you have seen in the computer lab. Everyone have seen, I think. So computer, in a computer, if you want to write any letter, if you want to write any number in the computer, then we need a keyboard. Okay, and in the keyboard we have 104 keys. How many keys we have? 104 keys we have. Okay, so in the keyboard we have total 104 keys, and it will Gori, please set 104 keys are there. Okay, and in the keyboard we have two types of keyboard. Okay, there are two types of keyboards. Very first is the QWERTY keyboard, and second one is the multimedia keyboard. You have seen in your book also, it is given. Okay, QWERTY keyboard. First one is the QWERTY keyboard. That is this kind of keyboard. I think we have seen this kind of keyboard. Why we are calling it QWERTY? Because the very first line, as you can see, very first line is the QWERTY. ओके, सो इस लाइन के ऊपर इस कीबोर्ड का नाम है QWERTY कीबोर्ड. Everyone can see the very first line in the keyboard is QWERTY. That's why the name of this keyboard is QWERTY keyboard. Yes, this one. Okay, so ऊपर वाला जो keyboard है, that is the QWERTY keyboard. This is the very basic keyboard. We all have seen such kind of keyboard, and the important thing to remember over here, why it is called QWERTY, because the very first line is QWERTY. That's why it is calling it QWERTY keyboard. Okay, now the second keyboard is the multimedia keyboard. Second one is the multimedia keyboard. This is same as the QWERTY keyboard. ठीक है, ये same होता है, but the difference is these buttons. As you can see, these buttons are there. These buttons, we are using these buttons to control the multimedia device. Okay, जैसे speakers लगे हुए हैं, कुछ song चल रहा है, so if we want to increase the volume, we can use this button. If we want to decrease the volume, we can use these buttons. Play करना है, pause करना है. So for controlling multimedia device, we want this multimedia keyboard. Okay, so by using this keyboard, we can control the multimedia devices. That's why we are calling it multimedia keyboard. Okay, so basically two types of keyboard we have studied. The very first is the QWERTY keyboard, in which we have the very first line is QWERTY. That's why we are calling it QWERTY keyboard. Second keyboard is the multimedia keyboard, in which we have the control keys. These are called the multimedia control keys. Yeah, only the difference of QWERTY and multimedia is these buttons. Okay, this is the only difference we have. Otherwise, both are the same. The same work they both will do. Okay, but by using the multimedia keyboard, we have some extra keys like this. Okay, to increase the volume, to decrease the volume, and to control the multimedia device. Okay, so this is the very first input device. Second input device is the mouse. Okay, here also we have two types of mouse. Mouse we want to draw anything on the screen. हमारा pointer जो होता है, as you can see, we can move the pointer on the screen. I will tell you after the class. ठीक है, उसके बाद मैं वापस summarize कर दूँगी आप लोगों की. Yes, of course. Okay, so we will talk after this class. Okay. So the second input device is the mouse. Basically, we have two types of mouse. Mouse is the pointer, as you can see on your screen. This is the pointer, and two types of mouses we have. The very first mouse is this mechanical mouse. Mechanical mouse. In this, you can see the ball is given over here. You can see this ball. Okay, so mechanical mouse is the mouse in which we have movable control ball. Okay, if we put this ball on the surface and move the mouse, then the cursor will move. Okay, so this is the very first mouse, that is the mechanical mouse. Okay, when this mechanical mouse, we have the ball at the bottom side, and we put this ball at the surface, on the surface, then we will move the mouse on the surface, then we'll get the cursor will move according to the movement of our mouse. Okay, yes, the second one is the optical mouse, like this way. This is the optical mouse. In this, you can see one light is there. This is called the LED light. Okay, so two types of mouses are there. Basically, the very first is the mechanical mouse, in which we have ball at the bottom side, and the second one is the optical mouse, in which we have LED light at the bottom side. Okay, when we move the cursor at the on the surface, then this light, according to the movement of this mouse, the light will give the data. Ridan, please don't do this. What are you doing? Okay, so this is the difference between the mechanical mouse and the optical mouse. Okay, in the optical mouse we have LED light, and in the mechanical mouse we have ball. Okay, after this device, after the mouse, we have another input device. This is the picture of, you can see in your book also, this is the picture of optical mouse. Okay, in this we have the light at the bottom side. Okay, after this we have the third device is the light pen. Light pen, basically, you people have seen in the classes also, when your teacher is using the TeacherX board. In that we have used a touch pen. Yes, a touch pen like this. So a touch pen, you have seen this kind of pen in the pocket of your teacher. So you have seen by using this pen, they can write on the CRT monitor, the board. You have seen the TeacherX board, that is the CRT monitor, on which we can write, we can draw a picture, we can make a table on that. Whatever we want to draw on the board, we can draw by using this pen. So this is the light pen. Okay. After this, we have another input device is the so in the barcode we have the lines, and the barcode reader will read that particular data. ठीक है, तो वो सारी चीज जो है वो दैट इज कॉल्ड दी बारकोड रीडर, या फिर हम इसको ये भी बोल सकते हैं हैंड हेल्ड स्कैनर. हैंड हेल्ड बिकॉज वी आर पुटिंग इट एंड इन हैंड, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड दैट हैंड हेल्ड स्कैनर. Okay, web camera, the camera which I am using right now, that to communicate with you people, that is the webcam. ठीक है, जो सिंपली webcam होते हैं नाउ these days, तो we have each and every web camera in our device. हम लोगों के devices में inbuilt ही आता है, but if we want to like in the previous years, we don't have such kind of cameras with our devices, so we have to put another कैमरा, वी हैव टू परचेज अनदर कैमरा, और हम लोगों को उसको यूज करने के लिए उस पर डालना, उस पर इंस्टॉल करना होता था. ओके, सो दैट इज दी वेब कैमरा. वी आर यूजिंग द वेब कैमरास फॉर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, फॉर वीडियो चैट, फॉर वीडियो लेक्चर्स, एज यू पीपल यू आर सीइंग वाचिंग राइट नाउ. ओके, सो दैट इज दी use of the web camera. Then digital camera, now these days I think everybody is using digital cameras to get the good quality picture, to capture the photographs of yours. So this is the digital camera. Okay, now this is all from my side today, because this is our